Hey guys, it's your boy J Honey with the money, and today we're gonna be doing a video for Storm, and we're gonna be doing a City Kitty toilet video, and I'm gonna be training Storm how to use my toilet. Let's get into it. Okay, and here's the features of the City Kitty. So this is how we're gonna start it and progress on to whole getting bigger and bigger. And you'll see right here, this is cat litter that you gotta put inside of these for him to like gradually learn into it. So yep, this is a little basic for kids. They have more, and I'm gonna put in the description below where I got mine from. I got mine from Amazon, and I'm gonna give you a link to go straight to it. All these good little thingies, Jiffy Max up here, made in the USA, and this is people's reviews on how good it actually works. So it's gonna be a successful fail for us, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, and this is how it starts. It's gonna be our day 1. Hopefully it progresses. Someone said 5 weeks to help them do their cat learn. Storm's pretty smart, so I'll see if she can learn that fast, but we'll see. And I'm gonna go day by day with it, so stay tuned with it. And this is all the stuff. This is all the stuff it comes with. Specially designed training seats for this one seat, and it comes in the training inserts. All you gotta do is put it under the toilet seat. I'm gonna show you how to do all that. Easy to follow, step-by-step instructions, and we're gonna follow these instructions until we get to this guy. He don't really need anything. Cats of all sizes and ages. So let's get into it. Alright, this is the insert, extra insert. This is the actual City Kitty thing that you gotta put inside the toilet. That's how my toilet seat looks. That's how the toilet seat looks. And boom. You gotta add the cat litter all in there. And as time progresses, you'll be cutting these parts out and this and this and this. And then you won't need it at all. Let's get into it. Alright, I got the cat litter. This is the kind I use. It don't matter really what kind of cat litter you use, but this is all I use. Cause Storm be blowing up in here. And I've been moving his bathroom around a lot. And recently the last place I left it is in the bathroom, so I can start training him in here. So he already get used to actually coming inside the bathroom. Alright, so I put the litter in, and I'm gonna mix it up, wash my hands definitely, and boom. I'm gonna put him on here, see what he do. Kept creeping there. Kept creeping near the door, see what's going on up in here.
this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks, don't mind me. I'ma just grab my stuff and leave. Excuse me, please.
Out of there. I'm gonna try and pick my pay again.
This is your bathroom, sir. This is your bathroom. This lady who I'm using the bathroom at. He don't like it up here. He think he ready to go get a bath. But no, sir, this is your toilet. This is what he's using the bathroom at. You don't want to go. Alright, so he's gonna be all cats gonna be a little shy at first, but they should know the smell of the litter. And she should be back in here, hopefully soon. But I'll let y'all know in day 2 of the video, and I'm gonna get back with y'all, keep y'all updated. Stay tuned for the next video tomorrow, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.